How to hide location on iPhone without someone knowing. Step 1. Quick and temporary method. The fastest way to stop sharing your location is to use airplane mode. Simply swipe down to open the control center and tap the airplane icon. Airplane mode disables all signals, cellular, Wi-Fi, and location, making your iPhone go off the grid. Remember, while airplane mode is on, you won't be able to receive calls, texts, or use the internet. Your last known location won't update until you turn it off. Step 2. Permanent privacy settings. If you're looking for a more permanent solution, head over to your settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Simply toggle it off to stop sharing your location across all apps and services. Turning this off means you're not visible on apps like Messages, Find My, and any other services that track your location. Step 3. Selective sharing. Sometimes, you might only want to stop sharing your location with certain people. For this, the Messages app has a handy feature. Open Messages, find the contact you wish to stop sharing your location with, and tap on their name or the info button. If you're currently sharing your location with them, you'll see an option to Stop Sharing Location. Tap it to only hide your location from that specific person. And there you have it.